Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm at Aiper booth at the CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada, to check out their Scuba V3. It's the #1 smart robotic pool cleaner on the market. Let's go check it out.
Aper had a most impressive booth at the CES 2026. They are a global leader in the smart yard ecosystem. What a very impressive display at their booth Aper created to show off their latest in innovations and technology. Aper has a whole line of pool cleaners. Aper won many awards at the CES 2026, and the Scuba V3 won the Best of CES in the category of an Innovation Award. The Scuba V3 is the world's first cognitive AI-powered essential robotic cleaner. This robot sees, interprets, decides, and adapts in real time, building on AI vision cleaning. It is state-of-the-art, which gives you a fully automated and carefree pool cleaning all week long. At the Aper booth, they had many swimming pools, many water tanks, showing off how their pool cleaners work. The Aper brand is the world's #1 smart robotic pool cleaner because customers know it as a smart, reliable, and carefree way to keep their pools sparkling clean.
How exciting! Right here at CES 2026, Aiper was awarded as the #1 smart robotic pool cleaner in the whole United States.
Aper had as a special guest Chip Wade. He is an Emmy Award-winning host and designer and executive producer for networks like HGTV, Fox, Food, and DIY Network. Chip's known for his creative direction using innovative technologies in all the TV shows he has. Chip and another executive of Aper released information of the show never before known about their latest in technology, and especially for their robotic pool cleaners. I was so excited to see Aper's new innovations because I've worked with their pool cleaner products in the past, and I couldn't believe my eyes at what's come out for the future with Aper.
They've announced a brand new AI feature. It's called Cognitive. Now they're talking about how it can clean in the most shallow of pools.
Never before has a robot cleaner been able to go to 20 centimeters of shallowness to clean. Self-propelled, getting up that step all by itself.
And it even can interpret the weather to know if their pool needs an extra with the AI Navium. Check out that shallow. There's a picture of it right there. They're demonstrating it live. The Scuba V3 is the first cognitive AI pool cleaner. Check out this demonstration. It's completely hands-free.
Aper soon will be rolling out with a robot pool vacuum that self-docks to self-charge. You will no longer need to retrieve it from your pool. This is one of the new innovations they announced at CES 2026. Aper is a leader in the future of pool cleaning technology. I had a lot of fun checking out Aper's latest models of pool cleaners.
And the Scuba V3 is ultra light too. This is another new innovation. It's Aper's new model. Look at this! Woo! That means if you want to take it out of the pool, it's not going to be heavy.
It only weighs 18 pounds.
Woo! Aiper Scuba V3 is the ultimate. And check out these treads on the side. That means it's going to be easy for it to climb the walls of your pool.
So it can scrub your water line. There's not going to be any rings left around your pool. It'll climb, then scrub that water line. Aper also has Vision Path adaptive path cleaning with Jet Assist horizontal water line cleaning. It uses AI vision and DTOF time-of-flight sensors to plan efficient cleaning routes, targeting visible debris first, where the dirt is, while at the same time avoiding obstacles and repeated passes. For efficiency, Jet Assist uses a single-side pump side jet for smooth, energy-efficient waterline cleaning, so there's no manual scrubbing needed. You won't have those evaporative pool lines anymore with Aper.
And the filter is right inside. This fine mesh filter is going to get harmful things like bacteria and microbes and pollen and all of the debris. So you have a healthier pool water for you to swim in with your family. And after cleaning, you just snap it right back in. And they call it the Jelly Roll Skimmer because it's going to get the leaves that float at the top of your pool. So they're going to go right into the front as your pool cleaner cleans and skims the surface of your pool. Isn't that great? So if you live in an environment that has heavy wind events, the Aiper's got you covered.
Aper has AI patrol cleaning with a cognitive AI Navium mode. That's where your Aper pool cleaner will instantly identify dirt and debris, and it'll adapt a cleaning path for 10 times faster smart cleaning. That's what the cognitive AI Navium does. It will automatically create weekly cleaning plans based on your pool size, your cleaning history, and even the weather. How exciting to see it work right here at the CES 2026.
Click the link, get your Aiper Scuba V3 and all their other products. Aiper's leader in pool cleaning technology. See you next time. I'm Rebecca Brown. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes and lights. And today's recipe is for a clean pool to enjoy yours all year long with Aiper.